Hey guys, what if I told you that the number one reason 95% of affiliate marketers fail has nothing to do with their products that they're promoting or the commissions that they earn? The real killer is something that most beginners completely ignore until it's too late. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve this problem in the next 10 minutes. Plus give you one action step that you can take right after watching this video that can generate you your first affiliate commissions within the next 48 hours. But if you're serious about building a real affiliate marketing business that actually makes money, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell because I drop new strategies every week that can transform your results. Let me start with a story that might sound mighty familiar. Sam started an affiliate marketing business 6 months ago after watching dozens of YouTube videos promising easy money. She picked a profitable niche, found high converting products, and even built a decent looking website. She spent 3 months creating content, writing reviews, and sharing affiliate links everywhere she can think of. Her results? Exactly zero. Not one single commission. Sam's problem wasn't her niche selection or the product choice. Her problem was the invisible barrier that kills most affiliate marketers' dreams before they even get started. She had zero traffic and zero trust. Without people seeing her content, she had no chances of making any sales. And even when a few people stumbled across her website, they had no reason to trust her recommendations. This is the brutal reality that most affiliate marketing gurus won't tell you. They'll show you fancy income screenshots, they'll talk about passive income, but they won't mention getting traffic and building trust is the hardest part of the entire process. It's like trying to sell ice cream from a cart that's invisible and located in the middle of the desert. See how insane that is? Here's what makes this problem even worse. While you're struggling to get your first visitor, established affiliates are getting thousands of clicks every single day. They've already built a massive audience who trust all of their recommendations. They have an email list, social media followers, and search engine rankings that took years for them to develop. You're not just competing with other beginners, you're competing with people who have a massive head start. And guess what? The clock is ticking. Every day you're not generating traffic is another day you're falling further behind. Every day you're not building trust is another day potential customers are buying from your competitors instead of buying from you. The gap between you and successful affiliates gets even wider every single day you delay solving this problem. But here's where most people make their biggest mistake of all. They try and solve traffic and trust separately, when these two problems are actually connected at the root. Traffic without trust leads to high bounce rates and zero conversions. Trust without traffic means nobody sees your amazing content. You need both, and you need them working together. The solution isn't what most people think. It's not about buying expensive traffic or spending months building a personal brand. The real solution is something I call the Trust Bridge Method, and it can start working for you today. The Trust Bridge Method has 3 core components that work together to solve both traffic and trust simultaneously. First, you leverage other people's audience instead of trying to build your own from scratch. Second, you provide massive value before asking for anything in return. And third, you create genuine connections that turn strangers into buyers. Let me break that down step by step so you can get a visual. Instead of trying to build your own audience from zero, you find existing communities where your ideal customers already hang out. These could be IG and TikTok pages, Reddit communities, YouTube channels, or even email lists. You find the key places where people are already discussing problems your affiliate products can solve. But here's the crucial part that most people mess up on. You don't just drop links and hope for the best. You become genuinely helpful. You answer questions, solve problems, and provide value without immediately trying to sell anything. This builds trust naturally, because people see you as someone who knows what they're talking about and actually cares about helping them. The magic happens when you combine this approach with a strategic content creation strategy. Instead of creating generic product reviews, you can create content that solves specific problems your target audiences face. You share personal experiences, case studies, and practical tips that demonstrate your expertise. This content serves a dual purpose. It provides value to the community and positions you as a trusted authority. Now let me give you that quick action step I promised from the beginning. Here's what you can do today to start implementing the Trust Bridge Method and potentially see your first results within 48 hours. Choose one active school group, Discord, TikTok post comment, or Reddit community where your target audiences gather. Look for recent posts where people are asking questions related to your niche. Instead of promoting anything, write 3 genuinely helpful responses that solves their problems. Include specific steps, personal insights, or resources they can use immediately. In your responses, naturally mention that you've been researching solutions in this area and offer to share more detailed information. Don't include any affiliate links in your initial responses. The goal is to start a conversation and demonstrate your knowledge. When people respond positively or ask for more information, that's when you share your affiliate recommendations in a helpful, non-pushy way. You might say something like, I've been testing several tools for this exact problem, and I found one that works really well. Let me know if you'd like me to share the details. This approach works because you're building micro relationships with people who already have the problems your affiliate products solve. You're not interrupting them with ads or spam. You're providing value first, then offering solutions they actually want. The beauty of this method is that it is scalable. As you help more people and build more relationships, your reputations grow within these communities. People start recognizing your name and looking forward to your contributions. Some will even reach out to you directly for recommendations. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't about tricking people into buying things they don't need. It's about connecting people with solutions that genuinely help them. When you focus on solving problems and building relationships, the sales naturally flow. Success in affiliate marketing isn't about having a perfect website or the most expensive tools that are out there. It's about understanding that people buy from people they trust, and trust is built through consistent value and genuine care for their problems. Start implementing the Trust Bridge method today. Find those communities, provide value, and build relationships. Your first commissions could be days away, and your long-term success with the connections you make right now could be immense in the long term. If this strategy resonated with you and you want more advanced tactics for scaling your affiliate marketing business, make sure you're subscribed and like the video. It helps me to help reach and help the people. Also, in the link below, I got a free AI prompt list that you can use. I use it daily. Keep grinding. Stay safe. Stay dangerous.